Home security is changing. The Internet of Things is making the home smarter. Meet Boundary, a new approach to home security. The first smart alarm that's designed to meet UK and European standards, which you can install yourself. It protects you without you even noticing it's there. It will be one of the UK's most reliable smart alarms for complete peace of mind. It integrates with your smart home devices. And it reminds you if you forget to activate it. Then you can set it on the go.
When I had an alarm system installed in my house, I was really disappointed by the high price point and the lack of features.
So we thought we'd use technology to design an alarm system that meets everybody's needs at a price they can afford.
We wanted to create a system that could be taken out of the box and installed without even needing to look at the instructions. The system has been built from the ground up in order to comply with British and European security standards. We created the system with ease of use at the heart of everything. We wanted this system to be beautiful, unobtrusive, extremely ergonomic, easy to use, making the products as small as we physically could in order to blend in with your home.
Hey Kickstarters, we're nearly ready to start manufacturing Boundary.
So please support us by backing us today.
Thank you for your support.